So we are heading to the car museum here, and just next to it there's an option of eating. So it's a pure vegetarian restaurant where you get dosas and idli vada, everything. So yeah, this is approximately 140 kilometers from Bengaluru, and it took us around 2 hours to reach, and it opens at around 9 a.m. So probably you can just have breakfast over there, and then you can come in here. So as you can see, the ticket prices are 50 per person, and children under 12 years enter for free, so that's a good thing. And yeah, another couple of things about timing: 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. so you can maybe just pause it and check the details, and you can go in here for the tickets. This is the area, and as you can see, a vintage car at the very beginning, and then there are multiple of them. So probably what we'll do is we'll get the ticket first and then enter. The evolution of wheels is mentioned here, so you have different kind of wheels, and they're mentioned in which year they were used, so you can see. And then it's mentioned here again, and then this is the whole line of all the different cars at different eras and different times. So we have tires, once again different tires at different time, and then we go here. Here different kind of engines are mentioned, so you can just have a look. A 4-stroke engine, and I'm not sure what kind of engine this is. And then you have a bare metals or bare body, whatever you can call. This is the car where they kind of show all the details, all the wiring, pistons and everything. And then let me show you some other essential part of the cars earlier: steering, and yeah, all these things basically. This model has been kept here separately, so it's a Hudson model 1947, made in USA. I don't know what the specialty about it, but as you can see, looks really royal, And then we have different cars up here. So this is a 1925, I guess, Italian Fiat 5101, and then again you have Fiat 521. You can have a look. So they're just amazing to look at, isn't it? So those were the cars of 1920s, and as we move towards the right, we see the evolution of cars. These are from 1940s. Yeah, so you see they are becoming more, curvaceous, the cars. Oh, that's amazing. And then they have a line of scooters up there, and some more cars there. So they do also mention various specs of the cars at that time. So as you can see, this car over here, it was able to speed up till 129 kilometers per hour, and it was a 3-speed manual transmission. So you get all the detail, which is really good, and it could be educative for the young ones when they get to see all these cars of yesteryears. So as you can see, this car was used by the Maharaja of Mysuru, Vadiyar. So it was in 1949 year, and as you can see, the top speed at that time 137 kilometers per hour. Awesome. These are the cars of 1950s and then moving to 1960s era. So as you can see, such a nice and such a beautiful car. Oh, I wish I could drive her. So it's Impala here. Oh, so beautiful, so wonderful, just looking like a wow. This car has my heart. Oh man, so beautiful. And as I told you, there's another floor down here, so you can see probably a truck over there, and then some more cars. They are of the modern era, not exactly modern I would say, but maybe 1980s onwards. And on the first floor there are mainly classical era cars which are here. The evolution of bikes and scooters has been shown up here. So using this spiral staircase kind of a thing, we came down on the lower floor, and here we again have cars from 1960s era, and then all of a sudden there's a Mumbai taxi from 1994. That's what they have mentioned up here. And a couple of things. So they have facility of drinking water, washrooms which are quite neat and clean, and as I already told you, there's a restaurant just next to it. So yeah, best time would be to come here, have breakfast, and then come here. They also have a military truck which was manufactured in Ukraine in 1980s. So you can see it's an enormous truck. And then we have some of these modern era cars up here, some Mercedes and Fiats and all those. So these anyway we have seen, so not much intrigued by them. So here you can see HP number, Himachal Pradesh, Toyota Corolla of 1990s, and then you have Merc of 1983, and probably who doesn't like a Jaguar. So some of these really vintage cars, they have put on a rotating display kind of a thing. So this is a 1926 Merc, really giving those vintage vibes. And finally we have the Cadillac. I was looking for it, and finally I'm able to find it. And we kind of come to the end, not really end. We have few more cars here, and I think that's the other half that's left over there. Okay, so this is on display again, a beautiful car. Look at this beauty. So here they have disassembled the Ambassador, so it kind of shows you all the different and distinct parts of a car, and they are separated out. As you can see, the doors up there, the engine, tires, and everything. So finally we are coming to the end. That is the exit gate up there, and a JCB here. And then you have mini cuties, the Riva I guess, and the Boss Maruti 800. So just as we are about to exit it, I would like to say it would be a great experience, and for kids coming in here, they could learn a lot. They could fall in love with all these cars through different decades. And yeah, I would definitely say you should get the children, and even for car enthusiasts, it's a great opportunity to know the cars of yesteryear. So yeah, a thumbs up from me. So we have come to the end of Car Museum, but we have another museum of performing arts in here, which I did not really know till now. And yeah, so it is about the performing arts of Tulnadu. So you can read about it by pausing the video. I will give you a walking tour very quickly. So various kind of things you can see here, kettles, and I'm not sure. Okay, these are the kitchen items, probably to keep masalas or something, and storing accessories, some kind of lamps I guess, and probably to weigh the things. You can comment if you know what all these things are, but I'll just show you around. Probably something to kind of modern pestle of yesteryears. So, and then they have a lot of paintings and pictures up there. They mentioned it as about performing arts, but maybe I was wrong. It has different things. As you can see, a typewriter, and looks like a telescope, and a telephone there. And again, some more statues. Oh, a gramophone. Quite interesting. Nothing much up there except for a few stamps. And then we have a few more sculptures up here, and some more stuff. Not really sure what this is. and basically that is the exit, and from there we exit, and we exit the car museum as well.